This is a 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. It has what you need for work as well as what you want for play. This Chevrolet's list of numerous features includes power adjustable driver pedals, a power driver's seat, a DVD video player, an AM/FM radio, side impact airbags, an anti-lock braking system, and this vehicle has just over 41,000 miles. This truck's powertrain features a 5.3-liter 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this truck in person.
York Ford is dedicated to do everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1481 Broadway in Saugus.